James, right?
Let's do that again. I haven't got the sound on. Try one more time.
Is the lens cap off? Right. So my name's James Wright. We're from a company called Drag and Drop, and I'm going to be talking about EzAdsPro. EzAdsPro is a suite of software designed to help market both real estate and automotive style products. Gone are the days when I can go and try and sell a production system to a newspaper or a magazine nowadays. What we have to do is we have to try and offer a suite of products that not only is in print but is also online through mobile, iPad apps, iPhone apps, mobile web portals, Facebook, Twitter. So that's why we developed EzAdsPro. At the start of EzAdsPro is something called Black Box. Black Box is our data aggregation toolkit. And that's where we suck in the data from all the realtors' back office systems, their CRM systems, and also from all the car dealers' CRM systems. Once we have that data in Black Box, it can then go into various other components. The first one I'm going to demonstrate is EzAdsPro Publisher. This is the print component. So what we have here is our EzAdsPro Publisher software, and I'm going to go and just create an ad. Click the create button, and what the system does is it shows for me on the left hand side all of my inventory that I've imported for this particular realtor, and on the right hand side it has the creative design for this particular realtor. So if I want to put this ad together, all I need to do is quite simply select my default style and flow those items onto the page, and then in real time the system just flows all of the stock onto the page. The reason we have the red crosses and the red marks on the items there is because there's problems with those particular listings. Specifically, there's copy overflows, or there might be missing images and things like that. So now it's down to the end user, whoever's putting the ad together, to correct those issues. What I'll do is if I just take those off, I'll flow them on again. Try a different style this time. And you can see it's really quite simple to put properties onto the page. In fact, I think what I will do is I will just create a new one using a different template, just so you can see how easy it is. Let's use this demo one at the top here. So this is one where I've already pre-filled my styles, and that one will flow on quite easily. So when the realtor's happy with the ad and everything's okay, they can tick this little green tick here, which is to approve the ad. But you can see there I've got an error, and the error is this box down here. We've got a missing image, so I'll fix that. And this is all based in a web browser. The easiest way for me to fix that is if I double click on it, and I'm going to increase the size of this image. So I'll right click on it, go to my advanced editor. Using the advanced editor we have like a Photoshop style tool inside the web browser. I'm just going to make this image really big just so I know it will fit. So let's just increase the size of it. Okay. Now all of these tools that you see here can be controlled, so only certain users have access to them, so we wouldn't want everybody to be able to do this. Okay. So that creates a new image for me using that new image size. And then I can just make use of that image, hit save, and there we go, it's fixed, problem. Now approve it, and that's it. I've now created the print component of my advertising. What we can now do is go on to Facebook. So this is the same agent, but then this is now where we're advertising their stock on Facebook. So using a Facebook app, we're able to present a dynamic real-time search portal actually inside the agent's own Facebook page, engaging the users. So I can do searches for properties. This could be automotive as well, so we have an automotive search portal, specify a number of bedrooms. When we're happy, if I like that particular property, I can go and get some more details on it, see all the images that have been captured from the CRM system, and I can publish that to my wall. So this now goes on to, hi folks, should I live here? Now the reason we want to do this is because when we share this on my wall, we're not only going to share information about the property, but we're also going to share information about the estate agency brand, because that's what we're doing here, is we're marketing the brand of the estate agent on Facebook. I won't do this because all my friends think I move to Stroud every week, so I'm going to say no there. But every time somebody views a property on Facebook or through the iPhone app or the iPad app, we record what's going on. So for instance, we have a reports page that we can go to, and you can see here some automotive statistics for one of our US customers. This particular publisher here has published this magazine 23 times, and you can see Beach Boulevard Automotive have had over 220 QR code scans on their publication. They've also had 228 text messages. That means that when somebody's looking at a property or a car, they can text, and we track all of the text messages. And in fact, every time a text message comes into the system, we'll email the dealership or the realtor to say somebody's interested in that particular property. At the same time, we send to the person requesting more information a link to take them to their mobile web portal, so they can get more information. The dealers go mad about that, and the great thing about this for publishers is it can prove how effective all of this advertising is being. So what we've got is we've got this circle of advertising. We've got print, we've got online through social networking, and we've also got access via iPad apps. So actually, if it's okay, I will fire up iPad app. I should be able to do this quite easily. So this is an iPad app, and we're able to search a realtor's inventory. And if I just hit view sales there. So again, accessing the same system, the same black box where all of our data's gone into. We have access to all of these properties. I can click on one. We get full information, it's all swipe. And the nice thing is that the publisher can upsell their customers their own iPad app. So you can either have one branded for the publication, or you can sell to the agents their own branded iPhone app, iPad app, Android app. And every time somebody views a property through this, it gets logged in our EzAdsPro analytics engine as well. So completing the circle. So that's EzAdsPro.